The people of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir and Muslims in India are facing a systematic campaign of house demolitions and forced displacement as the Modi-led regime uses bulldozers as tool of oppression under the guise of security and development. According to a report released by Kashmir Media Service, today India has so far demolished 38 houses of innocent Kashmiri people on different pretexts. During the current year, right groups says the demolitions are part of a broader settler colonial policy aimed at altering the territory's demography and silencing resistance to Indian occupation. The pattern of destruction mirrors colonial tactics seen in Palestine, where forced evictions and demographic engineering are still being used to consolidate control. IIOJK homes are razed without any notice, legal procedures or rehabilitation as Indian forces target residential areas under the pretext of anti-encroachment drives and security operations. The Modi regime's claim of restoring normalcy in the region stands exposed by these grim realities. Bulldozers have become instrument of collective punishment, and ordinary people, they continue to pay the price for demanding freedom and dignity. Right defenders, they have condemned the silence of international community, noting that India's action in IIOJK resembled the Zionist regime's practice in occupied Palestine. Both Hindutva and Zionism, they said, are twin colonial ideologies rooted in the displacement and dispossession of Muslims from their homeland. In the first 6 months of 2025 alone, over 3,000 Muslims' homes were bulldozed and more than 27,000 people were displaced across India and IIOJK, leaving entire communities homeless and traumatized. The selective nature of the demolitions targeting Muslim-majority localities reveal that this is not administrative oversight but a deliberate occupation strategy. Observers say India's anti-Muslim actions in IIOJK reflect settler colonial patterns. Homes are demolished to displace indigenous Kashmiris, reshape the population and instill fear, thereby waging a silent war against civilians. Despite the sufferings, Kashmiris still continue to resist Indian illegal occupation and its attempt to raise their identity.